What I've got here is a Kranzle new type swivel hose. So the grey end is the swivelable type and the black end is the normal. So that can be used at either end, the gun side or the pressure washer side. Just straightforward. Now this does work whether the machine is under pressure or not. So now it doesn't work just as well, obviously just quite as free when it's under load with water turned on, the machine running, but there's no problem, it still turns freely, runs smoothly. When you turn off it will run easy, very swivelable, no problem at all. Thank you very much. Qwashers, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. Qwashers, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're showing here is the Kranzle new type hose with the swivelling. Now you'll see that this is the grey end and the normal end is the black end. So this has just got swivel at one end of the side. Now we've put this on the gun side. Machine at the moment, the water's on but the machine's turned off, and you'll see that the hose is swivelling. No problem at all. Now you will find that when it does get turned on it will go a good bit tighter, but it still does swivel. So that actually turns, it's still swivelable while the machine is running under pressure, under load. There's nothing to stop you from putting this onto the machine side if it's more convenient for yourself than being at the trigger side, but in my eyes the best way to work is the trigger. So when you're pulling the hose out and everything else, it's turning with yourself as you're going along, so it's not all coiled up, it keeps it nice and flat on the surface. We'll turn the water off to the machine, pull the trigger and let the water off. It's just normal standard 22mm. It's just basically 22mm screw fitting built. Thank you very much. Qwashers, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.